Should I buy the iPhone 14 or wait for the iPhone 15? With the iPhone 14 lineup already out and the iPhone 15 set to launch in September this year, Apple Incorporated. Fans face a difficult choice: buy now or wait for the new option. What happens when investing in a new iPhone? People naturally have questions. They want to know what new features the iPhone 15 will offer that the current iPhone 14 does not. They are considering whether these added features are worth the wait. To help you make an informed decision about your next iPhone investment, is the iPhone 15 worth the wait? The iPhone 15 series is expected to bring some exciting new features and upgrades. One of the major changes may be the introduction of a periscope lens, which provides zoom 6x optical on iPhone 15 Pro Max. This upgrade will put Apple's zoom capabilities on par with those of the iPhones. Samsung. However, rumors suggest that the feature will only be available on Pro Max models, with the exception of the regular iPhone 15 Pro. The EU's mandate to switch from the Lightning port to the USB-C port and the iPhone 15 series is also expected to be fulfilled, offering faster charging and possibly even faster transfer speeds. Currently, Apple smartphones come with a proprietary Lightning port, which was introduced in September 2012. Rumors also suggest that the iPhone 15 Pro will be powered by the world's first 3nm based A17 Bionic chip, offering better performance than the 4nm A16 Bionic processor. Early leaked benchmark results seem to support these claims. Additionally, the A17 Bionic chip is said to be 35% more power efficient, which means better battery life for the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max.